In a world driven by data, analytics should be seamless, not disruptive. But embedding Tableau dashboards into your product often means users hit annoying external login screens, breaking flow and hurting UX. At Ellocent Labs, we built a custom integration that delivers exactly that: smooth, invisible authentication. Users log in once, and every embedded Tableau dashboard loads securely without extra screens. We used a server-centric architecture, handling identity verification with Auth0 behind the scenes, and manage session tokens securely while keeping your UI 100% branded. The result? A frictionless login experience for users, tighter security, full control for product teams, and dashboards that feel like a native part of your app. Want dashboards that feel native and secure? Ready to eliminate login pain? Partner with Ellocent Labs and make your analytics truly seamless.